Hey guys, so this is how you find watch hours on YouTube, not watch minutes. So all you have to do is click on your icon right there. You can either click my channel or my creator studio, because this is where we need to end up. So I'll do my channel. Then just go to creator studio, or like I said, you can do it here. Then you go to my channel on the left. Okay. Then monetization right there. And then go down. And then you can see your subscriber count as well as your watch hours and how much you need to get money. All right, that's it. Wait a minute. We don't have enough watch hours on our channel. So hey, maybe if you have some time, you can check out our channel. It's about long distance relationships and a lot of fun stuff. So thanks, bye.